A ring light improves video quality by providing even lighting, reducing shadows, and enhancing facial clarity for professional-looking content. Today's video is about top 5 best ring light for videos that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Neewer Video Photography Ring Light. This 18-inch 55W LED ring light kit is a complete and reliable lighting solution for both beginners and professionals. It comes with everything needed for studio quality setup, including a 61-inch aluminum light stand, soft tube, color filters, smartphone holder, ball head adapter, universal power adapter, and a convenient carrying bag. The 5600K daylight balanced ring light features 240 LED bulbs with smooth dimming from 1 to 100, allowing precise brightness control for any shooting environment. The light output is soft, even, and flicker-free, making it ideal for video recording, makeup tutorials, live streaming, selfies, and professional content creation. The build quality is solid, especially the aluminum stand, which provides good stability when properly positioned. The adjustable soft tube allows flexible angle control for perfect lighting setup. The included filters help create warm or cool tones depending on creative needs. It also supports most smartphones and DSLR cameras, making it highly versatile. Users should carefully follow the setup instructions, especially for stand unfolding and stability positioning. Overall, this is a powerful, portable, and user-friendly lighting kit that delivers excellent value for creators, beauticians, and influencers seeking professional results at home or in the studio. Now our second product is Weilisi Ring Light Phone Holder. This RGB ring light with tripod stand is a highly versatile and feature-rich lighting solution for content creators, makeup artists, and everyday users. It offers an impressive range of lighting options, including warm, white, daylight, and RGB colors such as red, green, blue, purple, and more. With 39 dynamic RGB modes, users can create eye-catching effects like breathing and gradient lighting, perfect for videos, live streaming, and creative photography. One of its standout features is the precise stepless control system, allowing smooth brightness adjustment from 1 to 100 along with customizable speed and color tuning. This gives full creative control over lighting mood and intensity. The premium aluminum tripod is sturdy, adjustable up to 72 inches, and easy to set up, making it suitable for desk or floor use. The included smartphone holder and 1/4 screw mount add excellent compatibility for phones and cameras. USB power support ensures convenient usage anywhere, and the wireless remote makes capturing photos and videos effortless. Overall, this is a powerful, portable, and user-friendly RGB lighting kit that delivers professional quality results for streaming, makeup, photography, and social media content creation. Our third product is Befame Vlogging Ring Light with Stand. This complete content creator kit is an excellent all-in-one solution for vloggers, streamers, and social media influencers. It combines professional lighting, high-quality audio, and user-friendly controls, making it perfect for TikTok, YouTube, live streaming, interviews, and tutorials. The 10-inch ring light offers impressive versatility with both LED and RGB modes. With adjustable color temperature ranging from 3000K to 6500K, it easily switches between warm, natural, and cool lighting to match any environment. The 360 degrees RGB feature adds creative cinematic effects, while stepless dimming from 0 to 100 ensures full brightness control for any shooting condition. The 74-inch adjustable stand is sturdy yet portable, with a foldable design that allows both tabletop and full-height setup. Audio performance is equally strong, thanks to the professional clip-on wireless microphone. It delivers clear, noise-reduced sound with a long 24 transmission range and up to 12 hours of battery life. The dual Type-C and Lightning support ensures wide device compatibility. Additional features like touch control, remote operation, and included accessories enhance convenience and usability. Overall, this kit delivers excellent value, combining lighting, sound, and flexibility in one powerful package for modern content creators. Now number 4, EXqseramc LED Ring Light with Stand. This all-in-one ring light with stand is a highly practical and versatile tool for content creators, streamers, and professionals. Designed for live streaming, video recording, TikTok creation, and online meetings, it combines lighting, stability, and phone mounting in a single compact setup. The stainless steel stand extends up to 120 centimeters, offering strong stability while supporting both sitting and standing shooting positions. Its solid build ensures durability, while the foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, ideal for both home and on-the-go use. The ring light delivers excellent lighting control with 3 color temperatures ranging from 3000K to 6000K and 10 adjustable brightness levels. The touch control system makes switching between warm and bright lighting smooth and convenient, ensuring perfect illumination for any environment. A standout feature is the dual phone holder system, allowing users to record from multiple angles or use 2 devices simultaneously for enhanced productivity. The 360 degrees rotating arm adds further flexibility, enabling effortless adjustments for creative setups. With easy tool-free assembly and power bank compatibility, this ring light is a reliable, portable, and feature-rich solution for modern creators, educators, and remote workers. And our last choice is UBeesize ring light for video recording. This 12-inch LED ring light kit delivers impressive brightness and versatility for creators, professionals, and everyday users. With 240 high-efficiency LEDs producing 10W output, it provides strong yet soft illumination that is about 25 brighter than standard 10-inch models. The light is evenly diffused, making it ideal for video calls, live streaming, makeup, photography, and online teaching. Users can fine-tune lighting with 10 brightness levels and 5 color temperature modes ranging from 3000K warm to 6000K cool, allowing perfect adaptation to any environment while reducing shadows and enhancing facial clarity. The 62-inch extendable tripod adds great flexibility and can quickly convert into a handheld selfie stick, making it perfect for travel and dynamic shooting. A 360 degrees adjustable head and universal phone holder ensure wide compatibility with smartphones, cameras, webcams, and GoPros. The complete kit includes a Bluetooth remote, USB power cable, and all essential accessories, making it a reliable all-in-one solution for modern content creation. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.